Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. I hope and pray that you are all fine and safe. I'm Binish Huram, your English teacher, and I'm going to deliver second lecture of Unit 7 to the students of class 9. In our previous lecture, we had completed the reading passage along with its Urdu translation and meanings of difficult and new words. I had also provided you sample answers of text questions as well as box questions, which I hope you all must have learned so far. In this second lecture of Unit 7, I'll be discussing vocabulary exercises A, B, C and D. So let's do it. The very first exercise of vocabulary on page number 77 is consult a thesaurus and find out the synonyms of the following words. Well, dear students, as you all know, such exercises are very important because C part of your objective paper is often set from these types of exercises. So you will have to do them very carefully. In this exercise, I am going to provide you one or two synonyms of each given word, but I would suggest you to look for more related synonyms in your thesaurus or on internet. Alright, first word is embellish and its synonyms are decorate and beautify. The second word is integrate and its synonym is combine. Splendor, its synonyms magnificence, grandeur. Next word is majesty and its synonyms are dignity, splendor. The last word in this list is illuminate and its synonyms can be enlighten or brighten. The second vocabulary exercise on the same page is circle the correct antonyms from the given choices of the underlined words. This is a multiple choice question and has great significance from exam's point of view. The first sentence is the Sultan Ahmad Masjid is one of the most impressive monuments in the world. The underlined word is impressive and there are three options: A, ugly, B, unimpressive, C, remarkable. Out of these three options, we are going to find the correct antonym of the word impressive. And as it is very obvious, the correct option is unimpressive, right? Second sentence is situated in Istanbul, the largest city in Turkey. The underlined words are the largest and we are going to find the antonym of this word. A option is smallest, B greatest, C populated. Again, it's very obvious. The correct option is smallest. Third sentence. A heavy iron chain is hung at the upper part of the court entrance on the western side. Underlined word is heavy. The options are A, big, B, bold, C, light. And the correct option is light. Fourth sentence. The upper level of the interior is adorned with blue paint. Upper is the word that is underlined and we are going to find its antonym. Options are A, lower, B, outer, C, higher. And the correct option is A, lower. Last sentence. The floors are covered with carpets. Underlined word is covered. And now we are going to find its antonym. Options are A, spread, B, exposed, C, decorated. And the correct option is exposed, B, right? Alright. Now we are moving towards the third C exercise, that is use the following words in sentences. Well, dear students, The sentences that are being provided here are just for your better understanding. We shall appreciate you if you come up with your own sentences. So you have a choice, either copy these sentences or make your own one. Alright, the last exercise, vocabulary exercise of this unit is, what do the following abbreviations stand for? And I know that you have been doing such type of exercises in your previous classes. Some of these abbreviations are very common. You won't find them difficult. Let me read that list for you. The first abbreviation is USA, and that stands for United States of America. Next is UK, United Kingdom. UAE, United Arab Emirates. ICU, Intensive Care Unit. It's a department in hospitals. MBBS, Bachelor of Medicine and Bachelor of Surgery. PhD, Doctor of Philosophy. MPhil, Master in Philosophy. PAF, Pakistan Air Force. NADRA. Well, you must have come across with this abbreviation, this term, while you were getting your BA forms. NADRA stands for National Database and Registration Authority. UN, that stands for United Nations. ISSB, Inter-Services Selection Board. WAPDA, Water and Power Development Authority. PTB, PTB stands for Pakistan Tobacco Board. It can also be stand for Pakistan Technology Board, and the one that is very famous is Punjab Text Board. Next abbreviation is MNA, Member of National Assembly. MPA, Member of Provincial Assembly. IMF, International Monetary Fund. WHO, World Health Organization. WTO, World Trade Organization. UNESCO, United Nations Education, Scientific and Culture Organization. UNICEF, United Nations International Children Emergency Fund Organization. Alright, dear students, in this lecture we have discussed 4 vocabulary exercises of Unit 7, and before we meet again, practice all these exercises and learn them by heart. Till then, stay home, stay safe and stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.